How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And is IPVanish safe? The answer is yes. It's actually one of the best VPNs out there and one of the only VPNs that has been certified through an independent audit. Now, an independent audit is when a third-party company examines the VPN in order to look for any vulnerabilities within the system and to also check if the VPN provider themselves are upholding the privacy policy that they claim. And in this case, as you can tell here, in the end, the independent auditor confirmed that our VPN service was in compliance with our publicly available privacy policy, which guarantees that we do not retain data about the content or destination of customer sessions. Customers can access the independent audit report from the bottom of their account portal. Members of media can blah, blah, blah. Okay, so as you can tell here, yes, it's always nice to see that a VPN is willing to go through an independent audit because that increases trust significantly with the user base. And overall, IPVanish is one of the better VPNs out there. It allows you to secure an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription. It's one of the only VPNs that allow for that. Over 50 countries available, a very nice user interface. This map design is always something I like to see, and over 2,000 servers. You don't get much in terms of features, but you do get a kill switch, DNS and IPv6 leak blocking, and a handful of protocols, including the WireGuard protocol, which will be the best protocol and fastest one overall. So if you guys are interested in IPVanish, you'll find links to pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about IPVanish's privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.